Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw an epic Pokemon battle of Greninja versus Lucario. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Lucario versus Greninja, let's begin with Lucario. So I'm going to begin right here with the eye. So I'm going to start by making a little line that's just going to come down. Then I'm going to bring this line down and up here. Next, I'm going to put a little tiny dot in there for the pupil. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this line curve down for the head. Then I'm going to make this line come out, and then we're going to bring this down. I'm going to curve this line around to here. I'm going to bring this line up to a point and down. I'm going to bring this line up to a point and then down here. I'll make this line curve around and then come up to here. Then we're going to make some little teeth in here and then a curved line for the tongue. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve a line down. Then I'm going to bring this line back. Then I'll bring a little line down here and over. I'm going to make this line come up and then curve down. For the inside of the ears, we're going to go up and down, and then we're going to go up and down again. Then we're going to make a point and a point. Then we're going to make a line come down and a line come down. I'm going to make some points right here, right across. And then some points right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. Then we're going to make a big point here with a curve for that spike. Then we're going to bring this line down right to here. I'll make this line over, and we're going to come down and then over and back up. We'll come down here and up here. Now for the arm, we're just going to bring this line out, and then I'm going to make this line come up and curve around. Make a curve here and a curve here. We're going to bring this line down, and we're going to make it come back here. And we're going to put the little point here for that other spike. Right here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve this out. We're going to bring this line down, and then bring this line down for the legs. We'll make this come up, and then bring this up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve it around for a toe. I'll curve this around for a toe, and then one more here, and then bring it up. For this leg, we're going to curve back. Then we're going to come down at an angle. Curve here, and then a curve here for the toes. Well, let's go ahead and bring this up and then into here. I'm going to come over and then curve down to here. I'm going to go down here. And then I'm going to bring this line up. For the hand, we're going to make a bump. We're going to make another bump and then one more bump here. And then we're going to bring this line down and then up. And then we're going to put that spike here. I'm going to curve this line, make a couple points, and then curve it up. Then I'm going to make a big U shape here. Now for the hair back here, let's go ahead and make a line that's going to curve out, and then we're going to bring this back. Then we'll make another little line that's going to curve around and come back. We'll make some points here and some little points here. For the tail, we're going to curve this up, bring it down, then we're going to come up here and then bring it back. Now up here, let's go ahead and draw Greninja. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape right here for the eye. Then I'm going to make a little line across, and then a little sad face for the pupil. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to angle it up. Then we're going to go straight across. I'm going to bring this line up, out, and then we're going to come back. We'll bring this to here, and we'll make this little triangle shape here. We'll come down here. Then we're going to go up at an angle. We're going to bring it out to a point and then down. Then we'll make a little notch here. Make a line that's going to curve out and down, and a line here. I'm going to bring this line up, over, and then back down. I'm going to make one and then two lines of curve. Then I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring this line in, and then this line in. Then I'm going to curve this around to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then back here. I'm going to curve this line down, and then we're going to bring this line in for the arm. We'll make another little line down. We'll make one and two lines for the fingers. Two lines here, and then two lines here. I'm going to bring this down and up, and then down and up here. We'll go ahead and make some circles on there, and little lines in between. Then we'll also put a little bump here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line in and down. Then we're going to curve this line to here. We're going to bring this line up for the leg and then put a circle on it for the knee. A little line here. We're going to bring this line out and in and then down. Make a little line here. And a line that's going to curve back here. Let's bring this out and then down. And then a little upside down U shape. The little line here. Circle and circle. And then little curve. Right here, I'm going to bring this line around. Let's go a little line here. Up and down. And then a little line here and in. Circle and circle and a little curve. Little line right here. Then we'll do a bump here. We'll make this line come up and down for part of the body. We'll make this line come in and then into here. We're going to put a little line here, and then also a little bump here. We'll make this line come down and another one here for the other arm. Make a line here and here, and then one here and up. Then we'll do two little circles and a little line to connect. Then right here, I'm going to make kind of like one of Lucario's Aura Blasts. And we're just going to kind of make these lines come out here like it's shooting at Greninja. We're also going to make kind of like this broken line here with like a circle or oval shape around it for some detail. Then let's make some of these kind of pointed stars on here for one of Greninja's attacks kind of coming at Lucario. So they're both kind of like attacking each other. Put a circle shape inside of each one. I like to add these little lines around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Lucario versus Greninja drawing. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.